Okay, now the really nerve-wracking stuff begins. We have to remove this assembly here. You'll see as I start taking it apart, and then this bottom piece here, and they'll just pop off and help us get closer to the LCD display, or the whatever technology it is. So this piece, let me grab the new screen if I can figure out where I set it. Oh, it's right here. That piece here is simply this little piece on the new one. So let's see if we can pop it up. It came out of its connector there perfectly. There's another connector here. You can use this tool if you like, or you can just use your fingernail. I'm a little worried about all of those. I think this cheap tool will actually work the best here. It's plastic. There we go. So that's what you're going to use the cheaper pry tool for, to get these connectors undone. That's done. This switch may come off. That's your volume and power switch. It may come off with this guy here. I'm not sure. Let's give it a try. I'm not sure if it'll cooperate or not. It doesn't appear to want to. So there's another connector there that you can undo. It should be a separate module. Okay. Why they don't want to come apart. There we go. There's a little itty bit of glue right there that's holding them, so just have to break that glue very gently. Everything be gentle. Although I want to be forceful right now because I'm anxious to get my phone working again. Let's see. Maybe the switch will come off. Let's see here. Oops. Doesn't appear to want to. I'm pulling to the side here to see if I can't get it off that lip. They're kind of glued together a little bit. Maybe it will, if I just work my tool in here, it came off. See, the video I watched showed the guy taking them apart separately, but he did say it's one unit, so that works good. Now we're going to peel this tape up here. Be very careful of that when you're working your way down. This is I'm going to leave that there. That's a little bit of sticky tape to hold the antenna wire down. Should just peel right back. It is stuck on here a little bit. There we go. It's got some adhesive on the back side. Let's do the same thing over here. Don't want to puncture the battery. It's just in a bag here. Let me see if I can work from the other side. Everything's so tight in these little devices, it's amazing. I have no fingernails, so you may want to wait on trimming your fingernails when you do this. Oh, that worked. Okay. Trying to be as gentle as possible. I'm not sure how this guy sets in here. Oh, he's just literally, I think he's just setting in there. Oops. Got him off. Okay. So that's taken care of. Now we're to the bottom. I'm actually going to shoot another video on how to do the bottom. It's a little involved, and we'll come back to this.